I was scrolling social media the other day, watching the
Doom
news.
scrolling.
Yeah, a lot of gloom and doom in there, and it's kind of hard to parse through what's actually happening versus what I'm seeing is happening. Tom, what have you been seeing?
Well, like if you're a real estate agent,
Yeah.
worrying and not sure about what the headlines are saying, what are the consumers thinking? So, Dom, what are you seeing from your perspective?
Well, a lot of it is based on location. Location's always the biggest factor, condition and price.
Location, location, location.
So I'm hearing things on social media and TikTok. It's just talking about,
Get
a
to
lot
work.
of good information out there. A lot of it's misinformation, not the best information. But I'm hearing things about, nationwide, or I hear houses are coming on the market, or things are slowing down a little bit. But I hear locally is really what you want to worry about, right?
Yeah, so like what Dom was saying, location, location, location is key. So once you get qualified to see what your budget is based on interest rates, you pick the best location you can afford. And one of the things is when you hear these headlines and you doom scroll on social media, you don't always get the truth. You got to dig a little deeper. Don't just go wide, go deep. And if you don't want to and you don't have time, reach out to these gentlemen because they'll be able to explain to you. But in a nutshell, nationally, there's a lot more inventory in certain pockets of the country like Florida. And so if you listen to the headlines, you're going to think it's going to be pretty bad out there. But when you look in your backyard, we'll say Stark County and the surrounding areas, there's 2.1 months of inventory. So therefore, it's still favoring the seller. But let me just tell you what has shifted. What has shifted is that the market, you have to be more accurate in pricing nowadays, especially if it needs a little updating. And so that's what I've been finding, that there's still huge opportunities for the buyers now, especially with some of the programs that are out there with the rates being as low as 4.75. So to get more informed about this, you want to reach out to a tried and true professional like Dom or Zeb. Zeb, what's your contact information if someone wants to reach out?
Call or text me at 330-933-3258.
Dom?
Yep, call or text me 330-234-6204.
Call or text me anytime at 330-418-1535. And don't hesitate to check out our reviews. We have a lot of them to see what you would experience working with our tried and true professional team at DominicFonte.com.